my turn. Let me try. Okay. Let's see how much I remember. So. Okay, so.
Yeah, and then you put that on your, yeah. Make sure you get some little bit more down
On the ground. Yeah. Okay, so we're here.
Because when you put it up, it will come up.
It will come up, yes,
yeah.
okay. So here you have to get
this goes first, you know.
This side?
No, this side.
I think this side.
No, this side go first.
Oh, okay, so this side goes over?
Yeah.
No, it's this side. It's this side. Yeah, it's this side.
You go there.
Yeah, okay, so we have here.
Okay.
Yeah, here, okay.
And then this.
This you hang there.
Yeah.
And you throw this.
You
try to throw this over?
Yeah, you can put it over. Not too much.
Not too much, just a little.
Because you're going to hold it.
Yeah.
Then you here hold
right
this,
here.
and then it comes from this one comes from
in front.
You. Yeah, like that, and then you see.
Then you have to burn.
Yeah. Is it taping?
Yeah. It's recording.
Then,
Okay. There.
Okay, just stay there.
Okay.
Wear that.
Okay.
Just put your feet in.
No. Let me take this sandals.
No, it's okay.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Just put your feet in.
Okay.
Yeah. Just and then you record it. So just put your feet in. Make sure the shoe.
It's showing. Yes.
Show it. You know.
What's the shoe called? The shoe?
Cha-cha.
Cha-cha?
Cha-cha, yeah.
Kente cloth.
Kente.
Kente.
Cha-cha. Yeah. You can walk a little bit. You see, yeah. And then you come in. You know. You see? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
We look great. Dad, get in here. Get in here.
Okay.